This is how to make my tuna tartar recipe. Okay, so for the ingredients you're gonna need tuna, some crackers, tomatoes, 1 pepper, an avocado, an onion, some parsley, salt, chili flakes, pepper, olive oil, some sweet paprika, black vinegar and white vinegar, and also soy sauce. Now you're gonna wanna take your tuna. Okay, so now you're gonna wanna cut your tuna into thin slices. Okay, so now you're gonna wanna add your tuna to your bowl. You got it here. Now you're gonna wanna clean your knife and also your cutting board. Now take an avocado, cut it in half. Then take the seed out. Grab a spoon and scoop your avocado out. Grab your avocado and cut it exactly like I cut the tuna over here. Add your avocado to your tuna. Clean your knife and your cutting board again. Now you're gonna wanna grab some olive oil, open this bad boy up, and pour it in the bowl. Then you're gonna take some black vinegar, spray 4 times. White vinegar, spray again 4 times. Some sweet paprika. Some soy sauce. Some chili flakes. And now mix it up. Now it will look something like that. Put your bowl away, grab a pepper, wash the pepper, and cut it. Set that aside. Grab yourself an onion, cut the ends off again. Take the skin off. And you're gonna wanna cut the onions very, very little. And now add some of it. Don't add all of it, because after you can't take it out. Now as you can see, I will add some more. And mix again. Now set the onion aside, you're not gonna need it anymore. Clean your knife again. Now grab some tomatoes, wash them again, and finally slice them in two. Set that aside. I've got some fresh parsley over here. I'm gonna wanna take about this much and I'm gonna wash this. Now again you're gonna wanna cut it like the onions. Now grab yourself a little bowl, grab yourself a plate and fill the bowl with your mixture. Set your spoon aside and flip your tartar onto the plate. Continuously hit. Here you go. Grab some pepper, sprinkle on top as much as you like. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna put some more. And finally some salt. Again, to your liking. Grab yourself some crackers and put them next to your tartar. And finally, take some of your fresh parsley and add it on top. And then, not finally, but take some of your pepper, your tomatoes. Hey guys, I'm joined by my sister. She's gonna taste this tuna recipe. Rate it out of 10. What do you think? It's the first time, by the way, she tries it.
I'm actually an adept for tartar sauce.
Rated out of 10, how much would you give it? Be honest.
I'll give it a 9, but that's because I like my tartar a bit more salty.
Okay, yeah.
But it's very good.
And this, my friends, is how to make my tuna tartar. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.